This is how you can recover deleted draft emails in Gmail. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. On your Gmail, get to drafts. This is draft. If you mistakenly delete any draft, this is how you can recover it. From here, locate the delete icon and click delete. Click on delete. This item will be deleted and it will be in your trash. It has been moved to trash. Let's see how we can recover it. To the left hand side now, click on more. This is more. Click on more. Next is trash. Scroll down to trash. Click on trash and the deleted draft message is right there in your trash. This is the deleted message. Let's recover it now. These are the options available. You can delete it, you can archive it, you can mark as unread or snooze, but we want to recover it first. So click inside this box to select this message. It is selected now. Right click on this and a whole lot of options will pop up. You can move it to inbox or click on move to, and there are so many other options where you can move this particular message. You can move it to social, to your updates. If you have a folder you want to send it to, you can input the name of the folder here and it will be moved right there. I'm sending this to my inbox and it is sent to the inbox. When you get to my inbox now, you will see this message. Okay, this is how you can recover deleted draft message in Gmail. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.